So the other thing we got to do, kind of make this a combination video, I got to get this deck board re-secured before it gets any worse. So we're going to do that as well. Alright, so what we're going to do is, because these are all I got and they'll work, we're just going to countersink them. So, got my drill. Apparently with a dead battery. Alright, we're back. We got a little sidetracked. The wife just got home, so we got a fresh battery, we got a bigger spade bit, we got our screw. So let's get this sucker in there. Get my gloves back on. On a side note, it is 420 today. Happy 420. Pissed off because on I-90 was a blizzard, so my fresh clean truck got covered in the salt brine crap that they spray all over the roads. So when I got home, I had to disconnect the trailer and go right to the laser wash to get the truck rinsed off, but whatevs. Alright, that's a little bit better. There. Beautiful. Alright. Now, here we go. Hey, what do I got? All dead batteries? No, this one is not dead. I guess that's it. That's as far as she going in there. She bit. I should have got longer ones, but this is what I got on hand, so they will work. Yeah, we're gonna go get the impact. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back again. Don't you just hate when a simple project turns into an all-day event? God. Yeah, that's better. Extension off there. Yeah, some of these never really were in there all that good, but we never cared to fix it. Now I don't have a choice. And it looks like that one popped up too, so let's move right on down the line here. Alright. I mean, honestly, part of the reason why they broke is because everybody catches it with their forks the way that Big Tex did it. Instead of making them even with the I-beam, they sit up a little bit. We're gonna get it. All right, solid. That's the most solid it's been ever. felt another loose one. I'm gonna walk around for that one over there. She a little loose too. Alright, I don't know what's going on over here. Let's try one more. I might have hit a freaking spot where they welded or something. Story of my life. Yeah. Let's try coming on this side. Try coming on this side of the other one here. I think we just hit a weld or something. I just gotta love living in the Rust Belt. Yep. April 20th, driving through a blizzard. Had to get home, unhook my trailer, and go wash my truck. Get the rims washed off, all the salt brine, because that's what they do. They brine the roads. Yeah, so if you liked hanging out with me and you found anything I did amusing today, if you wouldn't mind giving it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it. Thank you.